Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we'll be checking out South Florida future updates. So they have added a couple new cars that will be coming in the next update, which should be, I don't know, I'm not too sure. Updates come out every 2 weeks, I think, so I'm not sure, but yeah, so let's actually check out the vehicles here. So first we have the 2017 Mercedes-Benz S-Class AMG. This car is in testing right now, and look at this car. It looks really nice. I think this car would be a really nice and fun daily driver. Overall, a really nice looking car. I just really like how this car looks. I like the Mercedes-Benz logo right here. Pretty nice and pretty nice grills. Next we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz S-Class AMG right here. And this car looks really nice. Also, I really like the grills on this car. It looks really nice. Headlights also look really nice, and carbon fiber side mirrors, and I think there's carbon fiber on the roof too. So yeah, really nice car. Then we have a 2001 Toyota MR2. Not a big fan of this car. I don't really like how it looks, but you know, yeah, this car's going to be coming soon. Door handles look pretty nice. Yeah. Next we have the 2022 Kia Stinger Gt2. So look at this car right here. This car looks really nice. Really nice rims. Overall, just a really nice car. Probably will make a really nice daily driver also, but yeah, pretty nice car. Then we have the 2021 Dodge Ram TRX, and look at this car right here. I really like the rims on this car. Honestly, really nice. This car is just honestly really nice. Honestly, my favorite truck here. I love the headlights. Everything about this car I just really like. This car also has lots of power. Just overall a really nice car. Then we have the 2018 Chevy CAMARO ZL1 Exorcist. I'm not sure if I said that right, but yeah, this car actually has 1,000 horsepower. ZL1 Camaro, 1,000 horsepower here. This car is really loud, and this car is really powerful. 1,000 horsepower. It's no joke. So yeah, pretty nice. I'm guessing this car would be really fast in game. Probably a good competitor for the Dodge Challenger Demon. I don't know if this car is going to be limited or not. It doesn't say limited or anything, so I'm not sure. But yeah, and then we have the 2022 Cadillac CT5V Blackwing. So yeah, this car looks really nice. In the back I see a black spoiler. That looks really nice, and this car probably is also a really good daily driver. Have some carbon fiber right here. Pretty nice rims. Overall, pretty nice car. And that's pretty much it for the cars. Vehicle customization is now in phase. Lots of new cars, as we can all see here. Mansion neighborhood is in dev. This boat here is in testing. Pretty nice. All really nice cars. Pretty excited for this update, especially the ZL1 Camaro Exorcist here and the Dodge Ram TRX. Pretty nice. Pretty excited for both these vehicles here, along with the Mercedes-Benz cars right here. Pretty nice cars. I just wanted to keep you guys updated on the cars that will be coming to South Florida future updates. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and make sure to comment down some video ideas, videos you guys want to see from me. And yeah, that is going to be it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.